imagine if an AI could write your homework, design your school presentation, fix your grammar, and even organize your own notes automatically? Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI tools that every student
Welcome to
should know
NeuroNova
in
Labs, a
2026
channel
and
where you explore the future of artificial intelligence, automations, and powerful AI tools that can make your life easier. If you want learning about AI new technology, so the first AI tool on the list is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI assistant available today. You can ask it almost anything and it will generate the detailed answer in seconds. For students, this tool can be extremely useful. For example, you can ask it to explain difficult topics in simple way. Let's say you don't understand a science concept. You can type explain me friction as ninth grade student. Within seconds, the AI will give you a simple explanation that is easy to understand. You You can also use ChatGPT to generate essay ideas, like give me the viral essay idea, and it will give the all viral essay ideas that you want. And also some you can summarize chapters, learn coding basics, brainstorm project ideas, but remember use AI to learn and understand concept, not just to copy answer. The second tool is Canva. Canva is one of the most popular design platform in the world and now it has powerful AI features. With Canva AI, you can create school presentation, poster, social media graphic and YouTube thumbnail also. Example, if you need a presentation on a school project, Canva can automatically generate slides and design using AI. You just type the topic and the AI helps to create a design layer. The third AI tool is Notion. Notion is a powerful productivity and organization tool. Student can use Notion to manage study note, daily task, project planning, learn schedules, but the really cool part is the Notion AI feature. Notion AI can help you summarize long text, generate study plans, organize information. For example, if you paste a long article into a Notion, the AI can instantly summarize the key point. And the amazing feature is that it has also student dashboard that can track the student data. This is extremely useful when studying or preparing for exams. The fourth AI tool is Grammarly. Grammarly is like a professional writing assistant. Whenever you write an essay, assignment, or Gmail, Grammarly check your writing and help to fix it. Grammar issues, spelling errors, sentence clarity, punctuation issues. It even suggested better way to write sentence. So instead of submitting assignment with mistakes, Grammarly help you make your writing more clear and professional. The fifth tool is QuillBot. QuillBot is a powerful AI summarizing tool. It helps you to rewrite sentence in different way while keeping the same meaning. Student can use QuillBot as to summarize text, summarize article, improve sentence structure, and check grammar also. For example, if you have a longer paragraph and want to shorter version, QuillBot can summarize it instantly. These were 5 powerful free AI tools that every student should try in 2026. AI technology is growing very fast and learning how to use these tools early can give you a huge advantage in schools and even in future careers. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI tools, automation tutorials and the latest AI updates, make sure to subscribe to NeuroNova Labs. Also comment below and tell me which AI tool do you want me to review next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.